Hello friends, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how you could unlock your iOS devices passcode easily. If you forget to put your password for a few times, you should see this message on your screen. It disable your iPad and you can log in anymore. So as you can see as example, my iPad, I have this issue. So the only thing you have to do, first of all, be sure is full charge. Secondly, try to connect it through the USB cable to your computer or laptop. When you connect it to your device, be sure another part is connected to your computer correctly. After you connect that to your PC, we have to hold this touchscreen button in the same time with the shutdown button on the top. So you have to hold it for a couple of seconds until it's turned off. We can see now. I'll try it on the screen. Hold it, both of them in the same time. Keep holding it until you see the icon, the Apple icon, and now again hold it for 7 seconds until this Apple icon change to iTunes. So you can see is change the mood, and we could now go to our iTunes. So go back to your Windows, and from the account you can choose restore devices in iPad recovery mode. After you see this message on your screen, and you have to choose restore and accept, next. It's gonna ask you to upgrade the latest version of iOS on your device. Just agree with that, and also be sure you are connected to internet in the same time. If you're not connected to internet, it's nothing gonna happen. So when you do that, you have to wait until you see as a kind of process bar come up on the screen, and you can see the change start to happen. So as you can see in the top of the corner, you can see the message is come up showing us preparing iPad for restore. Waiting for iPad. So this process is take about maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes. In the same time, you have to be sure you are connected to the internet. So as you see, while we are in an iPad recovery mode in iTunes, we can see the screen from the iPad and the processing and upgrading the iOS version in a recovery mode. So be sure you are connected to the internet and be patient. Wait for a while, and eventually it's gonna come up. So we can come back to iTunes and see the process. I think is in the last part, is restoring iPad software. So it's a final step, and after this we should be free from that message again, so you can access to our iPad. So we have to wait again. And one more thing, be sure you have a right lighting cable. That's very important, and be sure you connect it with the right port on your laptop or PC. So I think it's finished finally, and we can back to our iPad and see the process, the final parts, and after this should be loading and with no any issue. We're gonna try it now. Just be patient. You also can use other software third company to doing the same job, but this is officially from the Apple with iTunes. So here we go. As you see on the screen, we come up with a welcome intro, and we just try to no more password, so you can choose your language and just do the usual step to log into your iCloud. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's gonna help you to sort out your issue with iPad or iOS devices. Good luck.